It's an interesting thing when you consider the Earth people who can think are so frightened by those who cannot.
You see? Your stupid minds! Stupid! Stupid!
You know,
okay, so this may be hard to see. I've got this wall here that goes underneath the stairs, and my current thinking, it's not locked in stone yet, is I'm just going to extend this straight out all the way to that back wall of the gym there. This is then going to define this edge of the wine cellar. I'm standing in the wine cellar. So I've set up my laser. I moved it around until I have it following exactly along that bottom plate there. And that extends across the floor, up the back wall, and across the ceiling. So again, this is just my temporary thinkings, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get up and mark all of those spots where it crosses the joists on the ceiling. I've marked the floor in the back and that spot where it hits. I'm going to sort of lay out some other potential locations, and then once I lock in on this decision, I'll then just pull a string line across here, snap that, and that will represent the front edge of this wall. Those will be preliminary starting points, but then I will use the level and plumb up each of those as I go. Back there, right next to the camera, is going to be another pocket door, and that's going to be the entrance into the mechanical space with my water heater, my HVAC systems, etc. So that's what's going on here. Hopefully you can see the laser's also showing me that this wall here isn't exactly plumb. It's off a little bit because the laser's touching here and then coming off on the bottom, but close enough. This wall's going to be perfectly plumb, and let's get at it. We'll start marking. Then I'll mark over where I think that next wall is going to be, where I think the powder room is going to be, and then I'll have to think through the plumbing and the mechanicals for that. That's going to sort of drive the decisions coming back in this direction. So that's enough talking. Let's do some stuff.